Welcome to our channel. If you want to integrate Calendly with Google Calendar to automatically sync your meetings and prevent scheduling conflicts, follow these step-by-step instructions for a seamless connection. Step 1. Log in to your Calendly account and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu to view all available calendar and app connections. Step 3. Locate Google Calendar in the list of available integrations and click on Connect or Add Calendar Connection. Step 4. You'll be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Enter your Google account credentials to authorize the connection. Step 5. Review the permissions Calendly is requesting. Calendly needs access to view your availability and create new events on your calendar. Click Allow to grant these permissions. Step 6. Once connected, choose which Google Calendar you want to use for checking availability. If you have multiple calendars, select your primary one. Step 7. Select which calendar should receive new Calendly bookings. You can create a separate calendar specifically for Calendly events or use your main calendar. Step 8. Configure your calendar sync settings. Choose whether to check all calendars for conflicts or only specific ones. Step 9. Test the integration by booking a test appointment through your Calendly link. Verify that the event appears correctly in your Google Calendar with all the details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.